So in conclusion, the assimilationist perspective is the one found most commonly throughout the U.S. education system. This is still true even though this article was published 27 years ago, so we have not necessarily made much movement towards a pluralist perspective throughout education as a whole. Katana does promote the pluralist perspective as the approach is the one which incorporates and acknowledges the diverse cultures of students and can work to address the systemic issues faced by underrepresented groups. And she closes by stating that there must be the opportunity for all gifted students to understand diverse viewpoints, critically evaluate social issues, learn about social change processes, and make rational choices concerning personal involvement in social change. And based on Katana's discussion, achieving this opportunity for all gifted students would only be possible through the pluralist perspective because it is the one that incorporates the different cultures of the students and focuses on acknowledging and discussing these different perspectives, as well as incorporating skills and practices that can lead students and teachers to advocate for social change. And then this table just sums up the major views of each perspective in all of the areas discussed in the article. So it's a good just summary of the article as a whole, and just good thing to look over. And then these are the discussion questions. I won't read them now, but they will be posted along with the PowerPoint. So thank you for listening, and sorry that this is broken up into 2 different videos. Thanks, y'all.